friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to test the read and write speeds in the Realme 6 device, friends, as you can see here. And before starting the video, friends, if you're watching first time this channel, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. And also do check the links in description also for the playlist of the Realme 6 device. So where you can find plenty of useful videos, friends, which I uploaded on the Realme 6 device. And recently the Honor 9X Pro has also been launched in India. So with the Kirin 810 processor. So here I got the Kirin 810 processor, friends. So which is from the Chinese variant. So already I uploaded plenty of videos. So if you are interested, you can take a look at the playlist for the Honor 9X Pro, friends. And let's get started with the read and write speed test. And if you are having any other doubts regarding the smartphone, you can message me in the Instagram, friends. So there is a link in the description page, so where you can click that and you can follow me and you can ask the queries in the Instagram. So I'll be replying to you in the Instagram, friends. And let me open the application. So this is the application which I'll be using for the testing the read and write speeds. So the phone comes with a UFS 2.1, friends, so which is not that speed as the normal UFS 3.0, which is present in the high range mobile phones. So if you are interested to know what is your read and write speed, you can use this application, so which is called CPDT. So let me open the application in the Play Store, friends, right now, so you can understand what app it is. So this is the name of application, so CPDT benchmark. So which you can try, friends, in your phone, and you can check how is the read and write speeds in your device. So even same kind of test I'll be doing on the Redmi Note 9 Pro as well, friends. So while doing this test, the phone got completely stopped, friends. So there's nothing going on. So everything got frozen at the moment. As you can see at the moment, no other buttons are working. So let me try to restart the phone. I'm not sure what happened at the moment. This did not happen before, friends, in the Realme 6 device. As you can see, it's got frozen completely, so this is a bit weird. So let me try to long press the power button and check by restarting the device. When the long press also doesn't work, I'm trying to long press but still it's not working, friends. After some time it automatically went back, friends. So I'm not sure what happened at the moment with the Realme 6. So it did not happen before. So as you can see, it automatically got shut down. Maybe at the time I'm pressing the power button, and now it got reacted to that press, I guess. So let me open the application, friends, again, and let me try to do this test. So let's see whether this will happen again or not right now. I'm trying to use the screen because it should not get freeze again. As you can see, friends, it did not happen at the moment. So this is the overall read and write speeds, friends, you can see on the top. So definitely I'll be doing the side-by-side comparison with the other smartphones as well in terms of read and write speeds. So you will get a clear idea about that. And meanwhile, don't forget to check the playlist, friends, of the Honor 9X Pro, so where you can find plenty of videos which I did on the Kirin 810 processor. So these are overall results, friends, and do compare the results with your mobile phone and do comment below. So and for more videos, do subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. So see you in the next video, friends. And this phone got freeze. It did not happen before, so it happened only at the time. This time only, that's it. So I'll let you know, friends, if it happens again in the future. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye. And before signing off, I just noticed one thing is that you can see at the moment there is no SIM signals, friends, on the top. But actually there are two SIM card slots inside. Let me open. As you can see, friends, there are two SIM card slots right now in the phone, but still it did not get detected. I think maybe it should get detected right now because I reward and close, but still it's not getting detected, friends. So I'll check this problem again and I'll let you know if this happens again or not. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.